Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that securely managing your assets is key. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from Uphold to your Tangem wallet. This process is simple, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this tutorial will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account and Tangem wallet ready. Start by opening your Tangem wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, verify your wallet and generate a receiving address for BUSD. This is your safe haven for storing crypto, so double-check that it's set up correctly. Next, log into your Uphold account on your computer or mobile app. Navigate to your BUSD balance, it's usually under the Assets tab. Once you're there, select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll need to enter the amount of BUSD you want to transfer. Remember, fees might apply, so check the estimated costs to avoid surprises. Now, here's the critical part. Copy the BUSD wallet address from your Tangem app. Paste it into the recipient address field in Uphold. Double-check for any typos because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. After that, review the transaction details, including the amount and network. Make sure it's the correct blockchain, like BEP20 for BUSD. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code or email. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet to confirm the arrival of your BUSD. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for status updates. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer BUSD from Uphold to Tangem wallet in 2025. This method keeps your assets safe and gives you more control. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.